So we got everything organized and rearranged the bench. I got so much more room now. This is a tiny room to begin with. It's just the back entryway to my house. My camera records pretty high quality, but it has to have a really good light source. I think it records in 4K. But like I said, only if there's good light source. I got everything organized over there. I don't really have anywhere to put my hand planes, so they just kind of sit right there. I got a number 7 hand plane if you're into woodworking. Got one of those tucked in the back. I get all these from like antique stores. The rustier they are, the cheaper they usually are. And as long as they don't have pits, you can take the rust off. I got a couple on eBay, like this one. This one is from 1907. This one is from the 1960s. The one in the back is from the 50s, I think. And then this block plane and this one are from Menards. The block plane's alright, but the number 4 plane from Menards is kind of garbage, to be honest. So what I did today, hopefully I'll be finishing up these elk tooth stud earrings. Then maybe today also I'll take a quick video showing you how my new tool works. This ring bender, it has a die for flat bands and a die for comfort fit or like wedding style bands. This die is a little wonky though. It's got some areas on it that are not ground down properly, so I gotta polish this, I don't know what you call it, the rod up a little bit. It's screwed in the bottom, so it's not, it'll turn sideways. That's just because I didn't have a thick enough board here for it to sit flush against the bottom. But it doesn't move, so it'll work. I'm excited about this tool. It should help me a lot with my solder joints. It's pretty much it for today. Hope you guys have a good day. God bless you.